BBNaija Season 6 star and influencer Angel Smith has acquired a brand new G-Wagon to her fleet of cars. The 22-year-old reality TV star and brand influencer is said to have recently acquired the luxury car with a customized license plate that reads JB Money. The Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon is one of the most luxurious and expensive SUVs in the world, and Angel's customized G-Wagon is no exception. Music executive Don Jazzy has put a smile on the face of a certain Twitter user by gifting him a sum of 1 million naira. The Maven boss, renowned for his philanthropy, released the whooping sum for one of his followers after the Twitter user called out to him for help with his accommodation. Don Papa J is one of the nicest celebs in the country, and he is known for blessing his followers from time to time. Who do you think is the nicest celebrity in Nigeria?